Assalamu alaikum dear students. It is the third video for week 3 and lesson 6. We are covering the preservation of the original teachings of Islam, हकीकी इस्लामी तालीमात और मुसव्वदात का तहफ़्फ़ुज़. In the second video, I explained the importance of preservation, meanings of preservations, and some of the examples that how for these preservations came to be very significant for the entire human beings. Well, without any further extended explanation, I would like to explain the four most important thing Al-Quran. Quran is name of the compilation of revelations that have been bestowed on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in from 41st years of his life, or you say first of Nabuwa till the third till his last breath in this physical world. कि जो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को गारे हिरा से लेके आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का जो इस फिजिकल दुनिया में, इस तबई दुनिया में जो आखिरी सांस था, तब तक whatever has been revealed from the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is compiled as Quran. उसको हम कुरान कहते हैं. Well, word Quran basically means something recited or means inculcated, recited, inculcated or enchanted repeatedly and repeatedly and repeatedly. कि जो चीज़ बार 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 पढ़ी जाए, तकरार की जाए, जिस पर बात की जाए, सुनाई जाए, समझाई जाए, clear, it means clear. So Quran is in the very that context. Okay. Then there are certain names of Quran. Surah Al-Baqarah, clear. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. That is indeed a book, there is no doubt in it. Clear. Another occasions it farmaya, ذِكْرَى لِلْعَالَمِينَ. That this is the book, a pure guidance for all the humanity. Okay. At other place, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala named this book as Al-Furqan. Al-Furqan. Al-Furqan means some touchstone, some light, clear, some touchstone that differs between right and wrong. अच्छाई और बुराई के दरमियान में तमीज करने वाली, समझाने वाली, that is called Furqan. Fine. So Quran has been given many names. In technical Arabic language it is called Suhuf. Suhuf is called compilation. Clear? Then the process of compilation of the Holy Quran is very detailed. Number one, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when any ayat was revealed upon him and Jibreel would bring, और कुरान से मुराद याद रखिएगा, the word Quran mean revelation purely brought by Jibreel, not by any other means. कि आप सल्लम की जुबान अक़दस से निकलने वाले वो अल्फाज जो जिब्राइल लोहे महफूज से लेके अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला की ज़ात से लेके नबी सम तक पहुंचाते हैं, that is called Quran. Clear? Not all the words which have been delivered by the sayings of Prophet or the tongue of the Prophet ﷺ, they may be hadith. वो हदीस कुदसी हो सकती है, वो हदीस कौली हो सकती है, वो फेली हो सकती है, but Quran is purely brought by Jibreel and revealed it upon the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Clear? Then whatever was revealed it upon the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he would ask, he first of all, he crammed himself, aap khud yaad kar lete. He would ask his companion, specified learned people, to come and note the Quran, that ayat. Okay, there were multiple peoples who were noting down the Quran. Okay. Number two, the system of Quran, the revelation process of Quran, Quran के जो तरतीब है, उसका एक है तरतीब नज़ूली. Clear? That Quran actually has been revealed on the Prophet ﷺ, not we find in the form like we present here, the present here. कि कुरान जिस सूरत में नाज़िल हुआ है वो और है, और जिस सूरत में हम पढ़ रहे हैं ये और है. Clear? The Quran which has been revealed on the Prophet was according to the need and occasions. कि कुरान जो नबी सब पर नाज़िल हुआ है वो उस वक़्त की ज़रूरत और मौके की मुनासबत पर था. For example, the very first ayah of the Holy Quran is Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. Clear? Read by the name of thy Lord. Okay. Then same, compare this ayah with Inna a'tayna kal kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar. Okay, when the non-believers, Mushrikeen Arab, tried to cut a joke with the Holy Prophet ﷺ and discriminate him on the death of his beloved son Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala consoled the Holy Prophet ﷺ, Inna a'tayna kal kawsar fasalli li rabbika wanhar wa inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. And same ayat were written down when the people of Makkah were writing their best poetic form, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ wrote this ayah and was hanged over in Makkah. They are called Muallaqat Saba. कि उस ज़माने में जो मक्का में मेला लगता था और उस पर जो बेहतरीन शायरी होती थी वो जो है वो लिख के मक्का खाना काबा पे लटका दी जाती थी. तो नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने ये आयत लिख कर वहाँ पर लटका दी, मुअल्लक़ात सबा. फाइन. इन्ना अतैना कल कौसर वसल्लि लिरब्बिका वनहर व इन्ना शानियका हुवल अब्तर. Fine. No, understand this, that the Quran Kareem has been revealed upon the Holy Prophet ﷺ, not at a complete book. एक पूरी किताब नहीं दी गई as just have been bestowed to the Hazrat Isa Musa alayhi salatu wasalam in the form of holy planks, वो जो तख्तियाँ थी, ठीक है, या Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam पर Quran is according to the need and desire, on the need and desire of Almighty Allah. So Quran's compilation is revealing process is different and compilation process is different. उसके बाद the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the people to write the surah behind that surah. Clear? तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कुरान करीम को अपनी मर्जी से कहा कि इस सूरत को दूसरी सूरत के साथ क्या कर लें, जो है वो अटैच कर लें. Second thing is, the people who wrote Quran Kareem, noted Quran Kareem, they were different, and the people who were writing hadith, they were different. Clear? Especially those people who would write the Holy Quran, they were given a specific name, Katbane Wahi. Clear? The writer of the revelations. The writer of the revelations. Fine. And third thing that the preservation was that on every Ramadan, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated the Quran Kareem after the Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam most often, and with the Muslims. Nabi Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam हर रमज़ान में कुरान करीम की जो तरावी में आप कुरान करीम पढ़ते हैं, that was upon the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam कि आप sallallahu alaihi wasallam he would listen it from the Jibreel directly, or he would ask Jibreel to listen from the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and similarly the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would listen this Quran from the other people, and this was really a process of strengthening the Holy Quran. Clear? Third thing was that the Holy Prophet ﷺ asked the people to cram the Holy Quran. Nabi Sallam ने लोगों से कहा, learn it by heart, and it is a greatest respect and honor for a Muslim to learn the Quran Kareem by heart. And in the life of Holy Prophet ﷺ, there were so many people who has excellent command over the Quranic learning and interpretation. Hazrat Abdullah bin Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf and Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, clear, and they were one of the greatest people. And one name Hazrat Ubay bin, and I just forgotten the name of a very important personality, Hazrat, clear. They people preserved the Holy Quran in the lifetime of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu is reported to be the first person who started writing the Holy Quran in the lifetime of even in Makkah and afterwards. Fine. And later on, the preservation of the Holy Quran have been made in the time of pious caliphates, के Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ali, and later on Hazrat, these four pious caliphs also preserved the Holy Quran. Especially when in time of Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala asked Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiallahu ta'ala to collect all the ayats from people of Medina and Mecca and call all the Hufaz Ikram, clear, and ask them to bring two गवाह देने वाले, कि वो दो गवाही देने वाले ले आए जो उस पर गवाही दें, and he would write that ayat into the Quran. मतलब यह है कि हजरत अबू बकर सिद्दीक रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु ने हजरत ज़ैद बिन साबित रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु को फरमाया कि आप कुरान को तहरीर शक्ल दें, जिन जिन लोगों के पास कोई भी कुरान करीम की आयत मौजूद है उनसे वो ले लें, और फिर हफाज इकराम भी साथ बैठाएं, वो आयत पढ़ी जाए, हफाज इकराम उसकी तस्दीक करें, और वो बंदा अपने साथ दो गवाह लेके आए कि मैंने ये आयत नबी से सुनी है और लिखी है, और उसके बाद उसको तहरीर कर लिया जाए. Clear? This was an excellent work that in the time of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the complete Quran was compiled. Later on, in time of Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when the Islamic territory was expanded into the other territories, people were in trouble. Hazrat Huzaifa bin al-Yaman radiallahu ta'ala anhu came to the Holy Prophet, to the Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and asked that in Armenia and other regions of the Islamic Sultanate, there are so many differences of the compilation of the Holy Quran, thereby the copies of Holy Quran were sent to the other newly Muslim areas, कि दुनिया के दूसरे इलाकों में हज़रत उमर फारूक के दौर में कुरान करीम के नुस्खे पहुँचाए गए. हज़रत उस्मान गनी के दौर में, especially in Armenia, there were a kind of difference, and reported some clashes between the Muslims over the recitation of Quran. कुरान को पढ़ने के मामले में कुछ इख्तिलाफात आर्मीनिया और दूसरे इलाकों में आए गए. तो हज़रत अबू बकर Then Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu again asked Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiallahu ta'ala anhu and asked them to uh, prepare one solid type of the recitation and one nuskha of Quran के कुरान का सिर्फ एक नुस्खा तैयार करें that is all acclaimed for all. Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiallahu ta'ala anhu compiled one nuskha of Quran that is called Musaf Usmani, and all other compilation of Quran were taken and confiscated, and that valid one and verified version was distributed among all the regions. Clear? And also Hazrat Usman रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु agreed on one qiraat के कुरान को पढ़ने का तरीका भी एक ही होगा. Clear? That was the way Holy Prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम would read, कि जिस तरीके से नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कुरान करीम की तलावत फरमाई, जिस तरीके से सहाबा ने आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से सुना, and so they reported and guided to the other people. Fine. Okay. Next, after the compilation of this Quranic recitation, another decisive occasion happens that Hujjaj bin Yusuf Sakfi, Hujjaj bin Yusuf Sakfi, a general of Umayyad dynasty, put punctuation marks on the Holy Quran. कुरान के ऊपर जो punctuation marks हैं वो जो है वो लगाए थे हुजाज बिन यूसुफ सकफी ने, so that the people may understand and read the Quran properly by themselves. Thank you very much. In the next video, 4th, I will talk a little bit about Quran and the subject matter of the Quran. Thank you very much.